Hi everyone, I wanted to walk through the different parts of the week 4 assignment in Excel to give you a little help with that. So here I've set up a worksheet where I have the directions that you're going to be following, and I have some stuff already entered into the website, or into the spreadsheet. So the first step here is to merge and center this top line title. So the first thing we're going to do is click and drag. And that selects those cells, and then we're going to use the merge and center option here to merge and center that. So that puts those right across there and makes a nice title. So now we're going to do the headings, which you see in step 2. So I'm going to type those in, and so now we put those in, and that gives us the headings for our columns. Now we want to use the months here, and I've put some months in, but we'd like to have them all there. And so there's an autofill trick that I want to show you. Excel knows how to do a lot of things you wouldn't imagine. So here I've selected this sequence, January, February, March. And you see the little autofill handle. It's the square on the lower right corner of the selection border, and if I move the mouse over that, it turns into a plus. So if I click and drag that, Excel anticipates that I want to fill in the months, and so it's going to do that for me. So isn't that nice? The next thing I want to do is put some data in these cells, some real expenses. These can be just made up. They don't have to be your expenses, but we want to put some in there. And so what I'm going to do is grab those from another worksheet and paste them in just to save some time here. So now I have those expenses pasted in for each month. And the next thing I want to do is I want to add each month up in this total column. So I'm going to click in F3 here, where I want that, and I'm going to click on Formulas, and I'm going to click on the AutoSum group of formulas and choose Sum. And you see what Excel does. It guesses what I would like to sum, and it's going to look above and to the left. Excuse me. Now there's just a label above, no numbers. It looks to the left, and it sees this row of numbers here, so it figures that's probably what I want to sum. You see the handles on the selection border, so I actually literally could drag the handles and change that, but this is really what I want to sum. So I'm going to click the checkbox up here to say OK. I like that. So now we've summed this row, but I want to do this for all the rows. So what I'm going to do is, again, use that autofill handle and move the mouse over till it turns into a plus, click and drag, and I'm going to end up copying that formula all the way down. So now I've gotten my rows summed for each month all the way down the table. So I'm going to stop here, and I'll make another video for the next part of the assignment.